Okay guys, so this is how you make it. You get your Ziploc bag and you get your cornstarch. So for purposes of this video, I'm only, gonna do a half a cup so then I'm not running out of all my cornstarch. So you put the cornstarch on. This cornstarch in the bag, right? Is it a mess-free craft? No, but everybody's happy. Then you get your water, and then you just add in your water into the bag. You might need a little bit more depending on the consistency. And I mean, everybody probably already knows about this. I'm just late to the party. I usually am, but this was just so easy and so cool that I just wanted other people to try it. So, okay, this is when your kids bring it over to the couch for you, and you sit here and you just kind of mix it all in the bag for them. You mix it up, mix, 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 mix. Don't press too hard or it will come flying out the sides, but that's about as much as I probably mixed it the first time. So it still looks like it's pretty watery, right? Guess what? It's not. So you get your bowl. I'm gonna add it to the stuff that we already made. And you just dump it out into the bowl. And then your kitties can start having fun and being amazed. So look at this. So look how hard it is to pull it up. It's like a paste, and then if you just let it sit there, it turns into a liquid. I mean, how cool is this? Obviously, I have some little helpers now. And then if you get it off your hands, it'll start turning back into a powder. So it's not all the states, but 2 of the states, solid and liquid. Look how cool this is. Maybe if some of my little helper hands can get out of the way, I can show them the actual chunk of it.
Okay.
Look at that. So see, it's like hard substance, hard, see, watch, hard, liquid. Oh my gosh, it's just so freaking awesome. So anyways, I hope you like it. Let me know how it works out for you guys. Comment and all that kind of good stuff. And I wish all you parents out there happy, lazy days, wine free. Okay, so little side note. I know you guys are like, Mother under G, what's up? Why would you show me a craft that ends up so messy? So true, yes. Will your countertop end up like this? Yes, but have no fear. After the hours of fun that your kids will be having, it is so easy to clean up. So yes, messy for a minute, but what do they say? Welcome to my messy home. My kids are making memories. At least this one, you're not gonna want to scratch your eyeballs out cleaning it up, and nothing gets ruined.